Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a reliable VPN provider that prioritizes speed and privacy. This reduces lag and lowers ban risk. Once chosen, install the official app on your device and sign in with the account you created. Make sure to enable any required permissions, location, network access, and auto start if present. You want a server list and kill switch visible immediately. Once done, update the app and verify your subscription status so the next steps run smoothly. Now you configure the VPN for gaming performance and safety. First, select a nearby or gaming-optimized server to reduce ping. Avoid distant regions even if unblocked. Next, switch to UDP or an optimized protocol for lower latency and enable the kill switch to prevent IP leaks. If you need only Roblox routed, set split tunneling so other traffic stays local. Make sure to run a quick speed and IP test. Once validated, you're ready to open Roblox with secure routing in place. With the VPN active, launch Roblox and sign in normally. You should see normal gameplay with your new IP. If you encounter login errors or high ping, first clear Roblox cache and relaunch. If problems persist, change to a closer or less busy server and try a different protocol. Sometimes TCP improves stability at cost of speed. If you must test whether the VPN causes the issue, briefly disable it, but re-enable when done. One key tip: always check for IP leaks if you experience unexpected blockage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.